Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. प्यारे बच्चों, dear kids, we are drawing 2D shapes. Let's start drawing. We are drawing a triangle. 3 sides. क्या है बच्चों? This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Draw a hexagon. This is hexagon. 6 sides. Let's draw heptagon. 7 sides. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's draw a star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. This is a star. You can draw the same, more better than this. Let's draw a circle. Circle. Rectangle. Wow, we have done. Let's color these 2D shapes. Red color. Triangle. Yellow color. Yellow color. Brown color. Brown color. Hexagon. Violet color. This is heptagon. 7 sides. Green color. Dark green color. Circle. Purple color. Purple color. Rectangle. Wow, we have done. Let's revise. Triangle, hexagon, heptagon, star, circle, rectangle. Dear kids, you do the same practice. Like this video, share it and subscribe.